Hey there, IQ Splash fans. Welcome back. Get ready for Guess the City by the Emoji Challenge, Ultimate City Quiz 2026. We've got 20 awesome movie puzzles waiting for you, and you'll have only 10 seconds to guess each one before the answer is revealed. Now, grab your popcorn, hit subscribe, and let's jump into the challenge. Can you guess this famous city? It's Paris. Which city is hidden in these emojis? New York City. Can you identify this iconic city? It's San Francisco. Which ancient country do these emojis represent? Egypt. Guess this beautiful Japanese city. This beautiful city is Tokyo. Can you name this holy city? This holy city is Makkah. Which historic capital is this? Athens. Guess this famous royal castle. Windsor Castle. Which tropical island paradise is this? Bali. Can you guess this luxury island destination? Maldives. Which snowy mountain range is this? Swiss Alps. Guess this famous Australian landmark. Sydney Harbour Bridge. Which mysterious island is shown here? Easter Island. Can you identify this ancient rock city? Petra. Guess this famous shrine in Japan. Fushimi Inari Shrine. Which world-famous wall is hidden here? Great Wall of China. Can you guess this lost city? Machu Picchu. Which unique hotel is represented by these emojis? Ice Hotel. Guess the world's largest coral reef. Great Barrier Reef. Which island state is famous for volcanoes and beaches?